like learning English in fun way? This class will be perfect for you. Our class facilities are complete. You have 2 air conditioners, a cupboard, cozy class, and of course, the dispenser here. And let's hear what they say about English class.
Hello, my name is Nabila Salsabila Alifah.
My name is Rizky Aprilia Azhara.
Hello, my name is Safira Nisha Adila.
My name is Lizaninda Permisuri.
My friend usually call me Little.
My name is Natya Asafairuddin.
My name is Rakit.
I'm Ariza.
Because English an international language.
I want to hone my English skills like speaking, listening, and many more.
I want to improve my English skills.
I'm interested in taking English classes to deepen my knowledge of English.
I want to improve my communication skills and it's useful for my future. It also can help me connect with more people.
I want to deepen my English skills.
I want to improve my English skills.
Maybe because the one thing I can is English. So I want to improve it by joining English class. I feel so excited and happy.
I feel happy because place to study is comfortable and there are lots good friends here.
I'm very happy because I have made many fun friends. There is also a learning through play program here, which is very exciting.
I'm happy because my friend is so good.
It feels great because I can learn while also having fun.
Taking the English class has been a great experience because I feel more motivated to improve my language skills here.
Very interesting, motivating, and fun.
It's so good and fun. I'm happy here and I have a lot of friends here. My friends here are nice and gorgeous and there are air conditioner.
Okay.
Which make us feel so fun.
Okay, thank you. I'm happy to enter this class because the facility provide and as well as the additional learning is very fun.
Okay, thank you. When we go to the English village and extra fun lesson.
Facilities is nice and the classroom is comfortable.
Okay, thank you. What I like about this class is because it's interactive and I can practice speaking and listening in a very fun way.
Okay, thank you. I like the facilities and all the friends are kind too.
I love the interactive and fun way of learn English.
Oh, good. Thank you. Of course, the air conditioner and the facilities, friends, the program, and the fun way to learning English.
Here, we learn and practice our English skills in very fun way. Learning English is not only about grammar and book, but it's also about how to apply it in real life.
Ganggu Pak, halo Pak Faris, say hi. Di tempat sampah ya. Thank you. Check.